In this tutorial, we're going to look at selection. So I'm going to look at this Python challenge first of all. And this Python challenge is a secret agent challenge. And it's going to ask me to write a program that will tell a secret agent where to pick up Intel packages. The program must only tell the secret agent and not anybody else. Therefore, they will need a secret code to get the information. The code should be a series of 6 letters. So you need to start by creating the secret code in the format. The user will then need to enter the code. If the codes match, you'll need to output a suitable message. If not, you need to display a fake message. Now this Python challenge is asking me to make some selection. It's asking me to choose 2 paths to my program. One if they enter the code correctly, and another one if they enter the code incorrectly. So to do that, we're going to use some selections. The first thing I need to do for this is I need to create a variable for my secret code.